Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a miracle drink that's made out of banana stem. This particular drink will help you in providing maximum amount of fiber for your body. These are the 3 ingredients that is extremely required to make this juice. For all those who have not seen how the banana stem looks like, this is how the beautiful banana stem looks like. First, take a bowl of water and then a small tiny bowl of tamarind. The reason why I'm using this is to make sure that the color and the freshness of the stems remains intact as and when I cut the stem and drop it into this water. Alright? So mix it with the water. I'm going to show you how the banana stem initially looks like after removing of the initial layers. So banana stem is the center structure that is almost like tube-like. That's how it looks like. So until you get that particular bit, please peel away to glory. Okie dokie, this is how it looks like. I'm gonna cut this and throw the first bit. So this particular stem is made of a lot of fiber and water content. So each time you cut it, you will have fiber coming out. So just twist it around your finger. I wouldn't say throw it every time you twist it and remove it off. Wait until you find it difficult to twist your finger and remove it. I'll show you the residue, or rather how the fiber looks like when you want to discard it. For all those who do not know, this particular juice helps you in flushing out toxin off your body. And if you're somebody who has kidney stones and urinary tract infection, this is a tried and tested method. This definitely works. Give it a shot unless it's reached a stage where the only option that you have is to get it operated. I've had my friend's mom who had it. She drank this for almost a week and it just vanished in thin air. I'm talking about kidney stone. So once I cut it into circles, I cut it again into half and divide this into 2 batches, or rather mentally divide it into 2 batches. You require 1 inch of ginger and 1 whole lemon juice. So peel off the ginger skin, cut it into 2. First add half a ginger inch and then half lemon juice into it. First batch of banana stem, grind it until it's smooth, fine paste. Remember, never ever add water to this particular drink when you're making. Even if you get very minimal, it's absolutely fine, because that will help you to heal. That will help you to deal with a lot of issues. If you're somebody who is watching your weight and want to have something that will enhance your health and not add calories, this drink is a good one. And if you're somebody who is tackling cholesterol and want to reduce your blood pressure, this drink will definitely help you in a longer run. You can drink this drink daily because it does not add on to your calories also. So this is the second batch. So all I'm doing is I'm grinding the banana stem. Okay, this is me trying to focus. And then I'm going to give up. Right, I forgot to add the lemon juice for the second batch. And also to add the ginger. I'm going to cut it and then put that into this mixer bowl. Right, just then put the lid on and start grinding it. It's the same step again. Remove the mixture, the paste off the mixer jar. Make sure you remove all the water off it and then discard the residue. This is how the banana stem juice will look like. So it takes the taste of the lemon and the ginger that's in there. So if you're somebody who do not like drinking healthy, you would still love it because it's just a higher version of water, I would say, or rather refreshing version of water. I hope this video gave you an insight about how beneficial the banana stem is. If you have tried it, do let me know on the comment below. If you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon to receive notification. Do not forget to share it with your friends. Thank you.